So we have done alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. We have seen alkyl halides. We have just now I said you carbonyl compounds. Got it? Then now we'll see acids. Got it? Acids and acid derivatives, as you can see it on the screen. If I take acids, RCOH, then what will happen? In a presence of LiLH4 excess and undergoing hydrolysis, first step we will go for reduction, and second step, what is that? You can see bit 1, bit 2. Do you know what is the meaning of this? The first step is reduction in presence of excess of LiLH4. Got it? LiLH4 acts as a reducing agent. And second step is what? Hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. Will give you what? Alcohol and nothing but water. So you may say, sir, alkanes and oxidation gives alcohol. Alcohol and oxidation gives aldehyde. Aldehyde and oxidation gives carboxylic acid. We know. So if I go back, that is reduction. Carboxylic acid should give aldehyde. On reduction, why it is giving alcohol here? RCOH, why it is giving RCH2H? It should give RCHO, isn't it? It should give RCHO, correct. But RCHO is aldehyde is a unstable product, mind it. It's not a stable product here, in this case. If you want aldehyde, then you have to change the reducing agent. That you will study in the aldehyde chapter. I'll teach you. Got it now? Clear? The questions which may come into your mind, that is I am discussing here. Because if I say I'm saying in the class, I would have asked you and I would have seen that whether you are able to say the answer or not. But here there is no means. So in this way, carboxylic acid, what happens is that when it is reduced with excess of LiLH4 and then further hydrolyzed, it gives you alcohol, which is a stable product. Similarly, acid chloride gives also alcohol and HCl. Similarly, esters also, that is first step reduction, second step hydrolysis will give you two types of alcohol. You are getting RCH2H, that is 1 degree alcohol, and you are getting R-OH, which can be either 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. See, I have given an example for that particular reason. You can see there. I have given an ester there. I have taken an ester, a very big ester I have taken it there. Got it? So, now in that particular one, what it happens is that in the first case you get CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2 group. That is CH3CH2H. In the second case, what you get? It's C6H5 CHOH, that is CH3. You got it. Clear? And the remaining, that is what you can say is being converted into carbon dioxide and all those things. It is being converted as a minor product, which I am not concerned of. Okay. So here you are getting two types of alcohol. One is 1 degree alcohol, another is 2 degree alcohol. I am getting it. Clear? In this way, you understood this? So in this way, acids or acid chloride, that is acid derivatives, is being converted into alcohol by the method of, what is that? Reduction. Remember it. What I said? Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alkyl halides is converted to alcohol by oxidation method. While aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, acid derivatives, it's converted to alcohol by reduction method. I think it's clear. Practice the equations now. Now next is that I have given a note there. If a compound has COH group as well as ester group. Alright, if a compound is having COH group as well as ester group, it is having any compound, then reactivity of the ester is more than the acid towards LiLH4. That means both will undergo reduction. COH also will undergo reduction. Ester group also will undergo reduction. Which will undergo reduction faster? That is what I have given. Ester will undergo reduction faster towards LiLH4 compared to COOH. This you have to remember it. Clear? The reactivity will be faster in case of ester than COOH. We can say that. Now the question comes here. Why? Ester means what? COO, any alkyl group like CH3, C2H5 means COR, we can say that. And acid means what? COOH. Alright. Okay, fine. So there, what you find is that when reduction takes place, what you find, the ester group is straight away, that is COOR, straight away, that is being converted into CH2OH faster, at a faster rate compared to COH. Compared to COOH, COOR is being converted into CH2OH. Compared to COH, listen carefully. Understood? On the other hand, acid is more reactive than ester towards BH3, that is towards borane. Acid is more reactive. Same thing, you are taking a compound which contains COH group and ester group, and you are reducing not by LiLH4 but you are reducing it by borane. You have seen the reaction in preparation of that is alcohols. We have seen it, that is hydroboration reaction. We have done it. You go back to your what you can say in the regular classes, we have done this particular reaction, hydroboration reaction. There we have used BH3 in presence of THF. We have used it, tetrahydrofuran, if you remember it. So if you go for what you can say this sort of reaction where COH group and COR group is being present, ester and acid is being present, and you are doing with borane, then acid is more reactive than ester. That means acid is first converted into, that is CH2OH. COOH is converted into CH2OH. In the previous case what I said, COR is converted into CH2OH. Here COOH is converted into CH2OH compared to COOR. Got it? This is the thing. So hence what I said you previously also, that reducing agent, what you can say, it matters a lot. So hence always I say in organic chemistry, condition is very, very important. According to the condition the product changes. According to the condition, the reactivity of ester is more, or it is maximum in case of LiLH4 and minimum in case of BH3. We can say that is in one word I can say. I hope you understood this particular thing. Next, you have seen, that is what you can say is that preparation of alcohols through amines. You have said it, like RNH2 plus HONO. HONO is what? Nitrous acid. How will you get HONO? In presence of NaNO2 plus HCl, because you know nitrous acid is unstable. So what you are going to get it there? CH3 nothing but CH3OH or ROH plus N2 plus there is nothing but water, isn't it? If you are taking ROH, there is RNH2. If you are taking plus HONO in plus in presence of NaNO2 HCl, you will be getting ROH plus N2 plus water. So I have given an example here, that if you are taking methylamine, mind it, in case of amines, methylamine is the most reactive. Alright, you read in the amines chapter. So you are getting, of course, alcohol, no doubt about it, CH3OH, but apart from that, ether, CH3OCH3, CH3Cls, got it, and CH3ONO, got it, CH3OH, of course you will be getting it, but apart from that, CH3OCH3, CH3Cl, and that is methyl nitrite. CH3ONO is what? Methyl nitrite forms minor product. Apart from CH3OH, they form minor product, mind it, they are forming minor product. Similarly, any primary amines if you take, you will get, I have written it there, any primary amines, 1 degree amine, if you take, you will get alkene, alkyl chloride and alkyl nitride as minor product. Understood now? Got it? But we are generally not writing it. While writing the equation, what I said, RNH2 plus HONO, what you are writing? ROH plus N2 plus water. Are you writing this? But this is also is being formed, because I said you in your regular classes that was not required. In the exams, in the entrance, it comes the question. They will not ask you what is a primary product formed. They will ask you what is a minor product formed. So at that time you will say minor product means we have not studied. So this is the minor product. It is being formed. For that reason I am saying you. So hence I said in the beginning that we are going to study that one which we have not studied in the regular classes. In the entrance class, that only we do. Got it? I hope you know it, this particular thing. We have done it from the class 11. So hence you can see it there, the minor product is this. Major product remains the same, there is no doubt about it. Major product is alcohol plus nitrogen plus water, you are getting it. But apart from that, we are also getting this. That is, we are getting ether, we are getting alkenes, we are getting what you can say with 1 degree amine. Understood? Alkyl chlorides, nitrites, we are getting as a minor product. Alright? I hope you understood this. Thank you.